Hey everybody, Chris here. Today I'm excited to share with you my brand new high yield dividend growth portfolio on M1 Finance. I've been investing in individual stocks on Robinhood and Webull over the last 8 months, and for the month of November, I've decided to create a brand new portfolio on M1 Finance. Go ahead and squash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos on personal finance and self-improvement. Before we get into the details of the portfolio, you should know that I'm not a financial advisor, so everything here is for entertainment purposes only. So, the objective of this portfolio is to be a source of passive income that will grow over time. While there is a heavy emphasis on maintaining a high yield, I'm also looking at companies that I believe will have a long future of sustaining and increasing their dividends. I'll be funding this portfolio with $20,000 tomorrow morning when the market opens at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'll be looking to add $200 every week, and at the beginning of every month, I'll do a video review on this portfolio's performance and any changes I'm looking to make. Let's jump in and take a look. Now, this portfolio pie is spread across 50 companies, split through all 11 sectors of the market for diversification. Because there's a lot of holdings, we'll try to keep this video short. First up, we have consumer staples that's going to account for 17% of the portfolio. Going into it, we see that it is made up of 7 different companies: Coca-Cola at 25%, Pepsi at 25%, Kimberly-Clark at 15, Cisco Corp at 10, Unilever at 10, Walgreens at 10, and Procter and Gamble at 5%. Next, we have the energy sector at 15% of the total portfolio pie. In the energy sector, we have holdings in ExxonMobil at 25%, Sunoco at 25%, Chevron at 20%, Kinder Morgan at 20%, Brookfield at 5%, and NextEra at 5%. Next, we got healthcare making 15% of the total portfolio. And in healthcare, we have 3 holdings: AbbVie at 45% of the holdings, Johnson & Johnson at 45%, and Pfizer at 10%, rounding off healthcare. Next, we have real estate at 15% of the total pie. In real estate, we have Realty Income making up 40% of the slice, Federal Realty Investment Trust at 35%, Welltower at 15%, and Crown Castle at 10%. Next, we have telecommunications making 12% of the pie. And here we have Verizon at 40%, AT&T at 35%, BCE at 15%, and Comcast at 10%. Next up, we got financials, which is 5% of the total pie. And now in financials, we have 6 different holdings: JP Morgan at 25%, MetLife at 25%, Cincinnati Financial at 20%, Bank of America at 10%, BlackRock at 10%, and T. Rowe at 10%. Next up, we got information technologies. And IT, we have, what was that? 5% of the pie. There you go. Let's go back in. For IT, we got Cisco Systems at 30%, IBM at 30%, Broadcom at 20%, and Intel rounding off at 20%. Next up, we got consumer discretionary, and we have that makes up 4% of the total pie. In here, we have Amcor at 40%, Genuine Parts Co. at 35%, McDonald's at 15%, and Lowe's at 10%. Next, we have industrials at 4% of the pie. And here we have Raytheon at 40%, 3M at 35%, Emerson Electric at 15%, and Caterpillar at 10%. Next, we have materials also at 4%. Here we have three holdings: Rio Tinto at 40%, Linden Bessel Industries at 30%, and Nucor rounding off at 30%. And finally, we have utilities also at 4%. This we have five holdings here. First up is Dominion Energy at 35%, Southern Co. at 25%, Consolidated Edison at 20%, SJW at 10%, and Waste Management at 10%. So that was quite a lot of individual stocks. At the total, we are looking at 50 companies in the holdings, and with a estimated dividend yield of 5.127%. So there you go. That is my new high yield dividend growth portfolio. Leave a comment below on what your favorite stock is and why. If you'd like to get yourself some free stocks, Webull is running a promotion of 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400 when you deposit $100 into your account. You can get another free stock by signing up with Robinhood. And finally, M1 Finance has a $10 promotion when you fund your account with $100. Links are down below in the description. Let me know which free stocks you get in the comments. Now, don't forget to squash that like button and subscribe to the channel to see more videos on personal finance and self-improvement. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.